Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have an Allure beauty box unboxing for you guys. If you guys seen my last Allure beauty box unboxing, you've seen that I canceled my Allure beauty box. Well, they sent me another. Thank goodness. I wasn't billed for this. It showed up on my doorstep. So I guess it is what it is. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. So to start with, we have a little brochure here. It says Allure Beauty Box, and it says exclusive promo codes inside. And in the back of the book, it gives you information on the products that are inside. We got another one of these really terrible plastic makeup bags. These things smell like beach balls in the summertime. Inflatable beach balls, they're really gross. To me, it really is trash worthy. But I guess what matters is what's inside. I definitely think that Ipsy sends out nicer makeup bags. I've never been subscribed to Ipsy. I tend to be a fan of BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is $21 a month. I'm not sponsored by them. If you sign up for recurring payments, it drops to below $20 per month. And you get 4 to 5 full-size items. So I think it's an excellent value compared to the Allure Beauty Box. The Allure Beauty Box is $15. You get a couple of little chintzy full-size items that aren't really prestige high-end brands, and then you get a bunch of fillers, it seems. So I went ahead and I dumped out my bag so I could show you guys what's inside. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this. This is a face mask. This is the Lamond Flower Lab Essence Mask. So when it comes to face masks, I absolutely love these pre-packed face masks, where it's not like a cream that you have to rub on your face that's messy and so forth. These are so convenient. You pop these on your face for 10 minutes and then you throw it away. I usually push the extra serum up and out of the pack and I rub that down my neck and all over my chest. So I am a fan of these. I think this was a nice item in the box. I believe that had a retail value of $7, so that is a full size. We did get a makeup brush, and this had a retail value of $4.99. Let's give it a feel and see if it's soft or not. It's soft, but yet it's firm. It does have a really cool angle on it. There you go. Now my camera's focusing. So it has a really nice angle on it. I definitely think that this would work really well in the crease. Does it feel like a weighty, good makeup brush? No, it definitely feels like a $5 makeup brush, but you know what? We'll give it a shot and see how we like it. And it will go along really well with the next item. So the next item is the Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. And this one is in Mykonos. So out of everything in this box, I think that this was the nicest thing that came in it. This was full size, had a value of, I think, $14.99. Now, don't quote me the value on anything else because I don't remember looking at the prices on anything else. So let me see if I could pop this open. So this is the Model Co. Trio. I really like that light pink in there and that brown and the cranberry. Would I wear all three of these colors together? No, but would I wear them 2 at a time together? Probably. Like I would pair the pink with the cranberry or the pink with the brown, but I don't foresee myself wearing all three, so it's not a complete eye look. But nonetheless, it is a really nice eyeshadow trio for this month's Allure Beauty Box. So then we have here, let's see here. This is the, it looks like Deuce or Douce, and this is a fine point eyeliner. I absolutely love liquid eyeliner. I wear it on my lower lash line. I wear it on my upper lash line. I know a lot of people don't wear it on their lower lash line, but I like a really intense black eyeliner. That's why I wear it on my lower lash line as well as my upper. So I'll give that a shot and see how I like it. Then we have here another Lamond product, and this is the Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser. This is a very nice size travel size item, so if you're traveling, just throw this in your makeup bag and you have a cleanser with you to wash all your makeup off with. I'm going to pop it open and see if it does have like a rose scent to it. Sorry, I'm recording on my phone and I'm trying to use both hands to open products. Very, very strong rose scent, but it's a nice rose scent. Definitely not an offensive rose scent. So I like it. I'll definitely give it a try. Next is the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Mascara. Definitely intrigued to try this out because I know in Boxy Luxe this month we're getting a mask from Wonder Beauty. This tends to be a pricey mascara. I think this is almost a $20 mascara. I could be wrong on that. So definitely look forward to trying that out. I do kind of get frustrated with some of these subscription boxes because I feel like they're constantly sending mascara. And you can only use so much mascara. I'm one of those people, I open one up, I use it till I'm done with it, it's gone before I open another one. I don't like to waste mascara and have 3 or 4 open at a time. I only keep open what I'm going to use. Last but not least, this is the Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks. I have never used a brow product like this. I definitely need to work on using my brows more often. Work on doing my brows more often. So I definitely will give this a shot, and I know that Boxy Luxe has a brow product coming this month as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. And thank you for watching. Bye, everyone.